We're getting some breaking news related to the cough syrup deaths after Madhya Pradesh. Now West Bengal bans cold reef. West Bengal government orders ban of cold reef in the state. The West Bengal government says cold reef ban a precautionary measure, and chemists have been ordered to stop the sale of cold reef. That's the latest that's coming in as far as the cough syrup deaths are concerned. After Madhya Pradesh, now West Bengal has also banned cold reef.
सस्पेंशन बंगाल में इंसर्ट नहीं हुआ। ये हम लोग का बंगाल केमिस्ट एंड ड्रगिस्ट एसोसिएशन का जो मेंबर लोग है, ये लोग को हम इन हाउस एक सर्कुलर दिया जी, ये प्रोडक्ट का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कंपनी है उसको या कोई जो गुड्स सेल नहीं करेंगे। लेकिन हम लोग का पास जानकारी आया कि बंगाल में ये प्रोडक्ट एंड ये कंपनी का कोई बिजनेस प्रोजेक्शन नहीं था, इसलिए बंगाल में ये प्रोडक्ट का डैमेज नहीं किया।
और ये जो प्रोडक्ट है, हमने देखा कि मध्य प्रदेश में कितने जनों की मौत हो गई है, और उसके बाद ये जो लॉट है, ये लॉट क्या पश्चिम बंगाल में आया ही नहीं?
पश्चिम बंगाल में आया ही नहीं। ये वेस्ट बंगाल ड्रग कंट्रोल में भी एंड हम लोग का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में भी हम जो सर्च किया, ये एकदम जानकारी है कि ये प्रोडक्ट बंगाल में नहीं आया।
And my colleague Tapas Sengupta continues to stay with us. Tapas, after Madhya Pradesh, now West Bengal has banned cold reef cough syrup, saying that this order has been passed as a precautionary measure. What more details are we getting?
Well, see, West Bengal have woke up to the series of incidents that have been happening across the country, and after Madhya Pradesh, the cold reef has now been banned in West Bengal. It's a precautionary measure that the state is saying, and they have already circulated a notice to all the druggists and chemists that such brands should not be endorsed at this moment. As of now, the Bengal Drug and Chemist Association has also intimated all the distributors. However, they have clarified that this particular lot, which seems to have claimed so many lives, have not entered Bengal, but as a precautionary measure, since the compositions are changed, it will not be sold in Bengal as of now, but investigations will continue at the same point in time.
All right, Tapas, thank you for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story.